Hello friends, in this video I am trying to debug C program using Visual Studio Code. C++ debugging need extension, so I am going to the extension section here, and in search box I am searching for C++ extension, C++, and it will list the extensions available for C++. Click on the top rated extensions, and it is from Microsoft, and click on install. Once the installation complete, reload this. Once you added C++ extension in Visual Studio Code, include section of C program will shows in a green curly underlines. To fix this issue, place the cursor in include statement. After that, it will show bulb icon. Click on that icon and edit include path. It will redirect it to ccpp property.json file. In this file, we have to add library path in a browse path section. For adding path, I am going to my computer. There is C drive, min_gw, and in libs folder gcc min_g32 and 6 version folder, and in this folder include. I'm copying this path and I am adding comma here and pasting path which we copied earlier. Add extra slash in this path. Just check here, there is only single path in include path section. Now I return to test.c file, but it still display in the curly green line. Click on bulb icon and add to the include path. Now you can see in the cpp json file, there is the path is updated here. Next step is we need to go to debug section, and in here we need to create launch.json file. To create, click on pull down button and add configuration. min_gw comes with GDB debugger, so I am selecting C++ GDB, and it will redirect to launch.json file. In this configuration, name should be unique. This is because of when you going to the debug section and pull down, it will show that the configuration name. I am going back to the launch.json file here, and the next thing is type is cppdbg. Next is program, and here we need to change the program name. We need to specify the exe file name of the program. In earlier video, the video number 2, we configured the task.json, so I can use the same path here. I am copying that path and replacing it at launch.json program name. And the next thing is mi mode, which is GDB, and mi debugger path is to be updated. In order to get the mi debugger path, I am going to my computer and C drive, min_gw, bin, and within that bin folder there is a file named GDB. Right click on that file, go to property, and in security tab, copy the object name and replace it at mi debugger path. Put extra slash over the path. Now I am saving this file, and the configuration, debugging configuration is set successfully. Now I am putting one breakpoint at inside the for loop and going to debug section and running the configuration. It shows some error. Let us see that error. It shows exe file doesn't found. The thing is, we need to add pre-launch task. path in a launch.json file. This is because the debugging things needs exe file. The compiling thing will create the exe file. So after compiling, we can run this debugging thing. So pre-launch task is compiling task. Here in a task.json, I am copying compiling task name and pasting it pre-launch task path and saving this file. Now you go to debug section and run debug. Here I running the debugging thing. Now debugging will stops at line number 6 because we inserted the breakpoint here. You can check the value of the variable here. The current value of the I is 0 here. Now I am going to the next line. Now it display the message. Now I'm going to the next line. Here the second time it displays the message. You can also check the expression by in a watch. I am adding one watch value. I is less than 6 and it will return whether the I value is less than 6 or not. And here I am adding another watch value, that is I is less greater than 1 or not, and it returns false because I value is 1 here. Next thing is we are currently executing the statement in the main method. In cost tag it will shows the our current execution method, and also the debugging value is automatically updating when you going to the next statement. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.